Hi everyone, welcome to HTML Tutorials for Beginners course. Today in this video lesson, we'll learn about HTML hyperlink. Hyperlink is simply a link in an HTML document. Hyperlinks is used to connect a document to another document with any text, image, audio, video, etc. The visitor can easily or quickly jump to another document using hyperlink. Let's see a real life website. It's a live website, and here goes the links of each page. If I click to any of the link, then it will jump to that page. Here you can see home page. If I click on items, it redirects to me the items page or product page. And if I click on blog, here you can see I'm on the blog page. Again, I can access the home page. So using hyperlinks, we can just navigate to each page of our website. It's pretty fantastic. Well, we will learn more about it and we'll create hyperlinks in a HTML file. So I'm going to get back to the desktop, and here I'm going to create two HTML files. Well friends, if you use Windows 10, you can create a HTML page using Notepad or Notepad++. Search for Notepad. Here you can see the vanilla Notepad, and here goes the RIS version of Notepad, Notepad++. Okay, here we'll write HTML code. I have a page on my website imranemu.com, and here you can see create a basic HTML page. I'm going to get this code to save my time. I'm going to paste the code here. And if you don't know how to create a HTML page, just I will provide the link of my playlist, and here you will learn on the first training, create a basic HTML page. And all the videos will be uploaded this playlist. I will provide this link. And here you can see a save button. I'm going to click on it, and on the desktop, I'm going to save it as home page. So home dot HTML, and here you can see save as type will be HTML, or you can simply select all type. Okay, then home.html, don't make a mistake. Okay friends, now on the desktop, here you can see our HTML page. It is home page. If I open it with Google Chrome, here you can see home page headline. Fantastic. And again, if you would like to edit this page, just right click on it and edit with Notepad or any program. I'm just going to edit the title. I'm going to name it home page. And this is a home page. Okay, fantastic. And again, I'm going to create another page. So just copy all the code. And here you can see file and new. Paste the code, and again click here on the save button and save here. And file type will be all type. And again, I'm gonna name it about dot HTML. Fantastic. I'm going to name it about. So once again, we have two pages, home page and about page. And now our job is to connect two pages using hyperlinks. Okay, here you see a code, HTML hyperlinks code, and it is a anchor tag, a tag, and using this tag we will create hyperlinks. Okay, so again open up Notepad or open up this page using Notepad++. Here it is, and in the body I will create hyperlinks. So first of all, the tag will be a opening tag, and the tag will be closed a tag. So this is hyperlink or anchor tag, and this tag should have some attributes, some important attributes like the location of the file. Here it will link a page, but the page link should be added. So I'm gonna add an attribute. It is href equal sign and double quotation. Inside this double quotation, I'll write about .html. This is it. And on the website, friends, look here on the website, you can see home, items, free plugins, and this is the anchor text. So I'm going to write something here, just about me. So let's see the magic. I'm going to open up this page, just click on run. Sorry, it doesn't work here. I'm going to open this about homepage, and here you can see homepage headline, and here is the link. By default, it will be blue color. And when I hover over with the mouse and the icon turns into a small hand. Now the arrow is small hand. Okay, pretty nice. Now if I click on it, here you can see I'm sent to the about page. Okay, and here you can see the link also sent. So now I'm gonna link back. Here I'm gonna create a link that will send me to the home page again. Okay, so what I'll have to do, open up the about page here, and again I'm gonna create a link. So this time I'm gonna quickly type the code a href, and you know I have talked already, this attribute will just show the destination or location of the page, and that will be home.html. Okay friends, why I'm writing HTML home.html? Because the file is here, you can see home.html. I'm going to link to this page, so this page is home.html, and I linked to this page. This page is home about.html. So you will have to completely write the page name with extension. Okay, on the about page, I'm gonna write home.html and angle close. This time I'll write here home and close the anchor tag. Okay, so if I reload this page again, here you can see home. Just click to home, it sends to the home. Click to about me, it sends to the home page. Pretty fantastic. Another attribute that I would like to talk about is the target. Here I'm gonna say target and double quotation. You can just show several targets, but the first one I would like to say is blank. If you write blank, then the page will be opened in a new tab. Here you can see the reload. If I click, it opens in a new page. Just again, once again, I'm on the what's the page? It's home page. Okay, and reload this page. Here you can see about page opens in a new tab. Okay, in a new tab. But if I write parent or self, then it will load just default on this page. Okay, just if I reload it and click here you can see on this page. During this time we learned about internal hyperlink. We just linked the pages to the same website. Here you can see if I click on items, it displays the page of the same website, themescode.com. But if I want to show or add any link of any external website, say for example youtube.com, then that will be external hyperlink. Again, I'm gonna just copy this code again. In this area, I'm going to just paste this URL hyperlink, and instead of about me, I'll type go to YouTube. Go to YouTube. Just again, if I reload this page, and here you can see about me, go to YouTube. What I'll have to do, I'll have to put a BR tag or break this line. Great. So I'm going to just to reload it. Now it's two different lines. I'm going to click on YouTube. It opens YouTube. Okay friends, so that was very easy to add any link or hyperlink in your web page. In this way you can just create as many as you want. Just copy and paste, and you can just add new link to Facebook. Here you can just change the URL to Facebook, and here you can see go to Facebook. Okay, that's fine. And if I reload this page, and here you can see go to Facebook. Well, by this time I hope you could understand what is hyperlink and how to use it and how you can link any page to your web page. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel to get the future updates videos. Thank you for watching.